are there yet? There are thousands, but okay. When's it ready? Can you start again? Can you start again? Can you start again? Universe. Oh. Universe, universe, universe. Okay. There are hundreds and thousands of planets. Some people think there are only 9 or 10 or 8. And there's a new planet, which I do not know what it is called. Maybe because Pluto isn't a real planet anymore. But I'm going to show you what. I'm going to tell you what the planets are called. The one we live on is called Earth. My favourite one is Jupiter because I don't know why. There's Pluto, Mars. By the way, Pluto is not a real planet anymore. I don't know when it stopped being a planet. And another one, Mars. I think I've already done that. And I can't remember the rest. Oh, I can remember Saturn, Uranus. That's a funny one. Saturn. And okay, the planets were made by a meteor, and they were made by rocks. The moon. Well, the moon is not made out of cheese. It's made out of stones. People think moon cheese is real. Well, it isn't because the moon is not made out of cheese, so why would moon cheese be alive?